Good morning. So let's discuss a situation of complicated collision. So in this numerical, you have two balls, identical balls, coming from x-axis and y-axis respectively. They collide and they start moving together. So they get, it's a question of they stick with each other. Now, the moment you hear the word stick to each other, you should arrive at the conclusion that this is a perfectly inelastic collision and energy will not be conserved. And the question is, what is the magnitude of the combined momentum? Now, probably what it means is, what is the final magnitude? The momentum will remain conserved because there is no external force on either balls. Although the direction looks, different for the coupled system, the magnitude will be same as the initial system. So we have taken vector side of the momentums which are initial. So you can see Pxi represents initial momentum in x direction, Pyi represents initial momentum in y-axis direction, and then I have applied the Pythagoras theorem to find the magnitude of the final momentum. We can also find the many other things provided the mass is given. But the moot point is this type of collision is complicated because the balls stick to each other and the net resultant is in some other direction when compared to previous momentums. Thank you very much.